What's up, YouTube? It's Kenny again. I want to talk today about the company that I think is going to be the leader in EV charging. And I'm going to tell you why. First of all, let me say I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a truck driver driving across the country researching and trading stocks. I will not be held responsible for anything you do in the stock market. I'm not your mama, all right? But I am a smart guy, and I've looked at these companies. And I'm invested in ChargePoint, ticker symbol SBE. I have not invested in Blink, and I am invested in this company, EVgo. Ticker symbol is CLII. Guys, hit that subscribe button, mash on it for me. Like the video, and let me know what you think about EVgo. So EVgo merging with a SPAC, ticker symbol is CLII, okay? They announced this merger last week. Now, I watched a bunch of, the few videos that are out there on the company, looked at the investor relations page, I've looked at it, and I think that some of the information that some of these people have put out there is a little bit misleading, okay? The company's only trading for about $20 right now, okay? You got ChargePoint and Blink trading in that 40 to even Blink's been up into close to 50, ChargePoint has pulled back some, SBE, but their merger's coming up, so, that's normal. But EVgo, these guys are the real deal, all right? Now, a lot of the information that I've seen, says that they're smaller than ChargePoint and stuff like that. And I think that that's a little bit misleading, okay? ChargePoint is technically bigger. They've got more charging locations, okay? But the majority of their charging locations are slower chargers, okay? They have very few of the DC fast chargers, which charge your vehicle really fast, okay? EVgo is the leader in DC fast charging, okay? Now, they don't have nobody's got a shit ton of sites, okay? But they have the most DC fast charging sites in the U.S. So when you talk about who's the leader and who's bigger and whatever, you got to think about what people are going to want to use going forward. And they're going to want to be using these fast chargers. Another thing is they have multiple partnerships with different companies. And I'm not seeing that about SBE. And I'm not seeing that about Blink. These guys have all kinds of contracts and partnerships with people. They've got partnerships with Walmart, with Albertsons, with Safeway. They got partnerships with big gas station chains like Chevron and Sheetz and Wawa. Got contract with Whole Foods. And then when you think about the automakers, that they are partnered with are going to be able to offer credits for their service to push people toward their chargers. So like you may go buy a BMW and get, $100, $200, whatever it is, in credits to go charge that vehicle. The contracts that they have, deals that they have with these automakers, they have deals with BMW, with Kia, Nissan, Hyundai, GM, and you can charge Teslas with it, okay? Which I don't know that you can do that with Blink and ChargePoint, but you will be able to charge Teslas on the EVgo chargers for sure. Now, GM, the contract that they have with General Motors is going to fund them to way increase their locations, okay? They're going to go, they're going to be adding another 2,700 charging locations, which quadruples the number of charging stations they have throughout the U.S. They're already the leader in DC fast charging, and they're going to quadruple that number just based on the contract with General Motors. Guys, if this one has just not caught on, and granted, it just released, or they just announced officially the merger last week, but this one's going to catch on when people figure out, you know, that the numbers and the information is not necessarily, it's accurate, but it's not really, it's kind of misleading, okay? And so when they find out that this is really a real deal company here, I see this one running up to 35, 40 and getting in that same area with ChargePoint and Blink. Getting in now in this $20 range, going to give you a possibility to double your money pretty soon. Who knows how long it could take, and I don't have a crystal ball, so, you know, people could never catch on to it. But looking at it, in my opinion, between all of these partnerships they have, you know, when they start installing these chargers at Walmarts and Albertsons and Safeways, and when, you know, Whole Foods and all these places, when they start installing chargers in those parking lots and people can go in, charge their car while they're inside doing their shopping and stuff like that, that's going to be a big deal, guys. You know, they're going to be able to charge these cars in minutes rather than hours, and they're going to be able to do it while they're inside Walmart doing their shopping, okay? And with General Motors funding them to quadruple the number of chargers that they have out there, you know, General Motors is moving hard into the EV space, and you know, it's a big deal that they're partnered with them. You don't see this about ChargePoint and Blink, that they're partnered with all of these companies. Like, the main thing for them putting up more chargers is to be putting them in the right locations. And when this place is partnered with stuff like Whole Foods and Walmart, you know, and grocery stores, places, just, it's the perfect place to put a charger. I mean, to be able to go to Walmart, plug your car in, go inside, do what you got to do, come back out and your car is charged. You know, there's no like sitting at a charging location for 45 minutes to charge your vehicle and stuff like that. It's a big deal, okay? And then if you think about, like, as far as the trucks are concerned, you know, I've done a lot of talking about charging stations for big trucks, and with them being partnered with Walmart, Walmart has a lot of short haul trucks, okay? And Walmart has a deal, or Walmart is likely to get some Teslas, and EVgo can charge Teslas, okay? I'm telling you, like, this, eventually they're going to, when Walmart starts picking up some of these trucks, these Tesla trucks, they're probably going to be making a deal with them to put them at their DCs and their, you know, their distribution centers and stuff. I'm telling you guys, this one to me, in my mind, is the one that it's a perfect time to invest in it, in my opinion. I mean, they're all overvalued, you know what I mean? They're all trading for higher prices than what they really deserve. But all of the EV stuff is. So, you know, like, I see some people talk about how, you know, they're trading at too high of a price and stuff like that, but all of this stuff is, you know. And the fact of the matter is that the partnerships that these guys have, and the fact that they're already the leader in the DC fast charging market, and they control like 50% of the market share for DC charging, and the fact that they have not yet caught on with the investors, and that, you know, like, Blink is like trading close to $50 and this company is like 20. Like, come on now. I'm telling you, we're going to have a run up on this company pretty soon. And I'm not a financial advisor, but I can tell you that I've got a pretty good sized position in it, and I'm going to be holding on to it, waiting on the run up. I think they're the one, guys, to be invested in. You know, ChargePoint and these guys. Blink, you know, I'm not so sure about Blink. I never have been. I made some money on Blink a few times when it was trading in that $7 range, and sure, I wish I would have held on to those shares. But I just think that Blink is extremely overvalued, and I don't have a clue why they're trading as high as they are. But this company, I really do anticipate a run-up on this company. It's just going to take a little bit for investors to catch on to what's going on with the company. Do your own research. Go check out their investor relations page for EVgo on their website. Again, the ticker symbol CLII. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and thanks for watching.